Hi guys, it's me again. Let's start now. So I have this picture that eventually give us the given. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I have 15 remaining. Two letters of the previous one. So my first one is Paubaya. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. Wait. 17, 4. The help answers are rather choose on the team. I can choose meter per second square. Okay. Every height inches is 9 per second. North of I'm 2 inches tall. In north of us. 6. All the other is angle is in southeast. So what I do is 6 in southeast. 7. Okay. This is your crash difference over further. All the other is this angle right there in southeast. Particularly I don't have any crash, so but since it's also 8 is 1. So southwest. Ta-da! So I arranged the given. It looks like this. So our next thing to do is to make a Cartesian plane to locate this. So I'm gonna use ruler to straighten the line. I felt bad earlier because I keep on repeating on this part. So I'm gonna use ruler to make me at least feel good. So suppose this is 62 degree. 62 degree. North of west. Next thing to do is south of is, which is 6 degree. South of is 6 degree. Suppose this is 6 degrees. Suppose. And finally 1 degree of southwest. Suppose this is 1 degree southwest. So I already locate the given on the Cartesian plane. Our next thing to do is to solve the theta each given. So let's start with 62 degrees since it is the first one here in the given. And by the way guys, our rotation is so the movement starts from east to north to west and to south to east again. But since 62 degrees locates on the northwest, which is only the half of the circle, and half of the circle is equivalent to 180, so we are going to subtract 180 to 62 degrees, which is, wait, take only a minute guys, 180 minus 62 is 118 degrees. Next is, since it locates on southeast, so the movement here is like full circle, so we're gonna subtract 360 to 6, which is 354 degrees. Our next is 1 degree from south of west. So this time we're gonna add 1 on the 180. So let's add 180 plus 1 is equals to 181 degrees. So we have now our theta each given. So our next thing to do is to make a table. Wait, I forgot to mention that 15 ms squared, 7 ms squared, and 17 ms squared are the magnitude. So where did I get this theta? Because of this. Right now, we're gonna solve the x component and the y component. To get the x component, we're gonna follow this formula. Magnitude times cosine times theta. So we're gonna start with the first one. 15 times cosine times 18 equals to 50. Sorry. That is, the next one. 7 times cosine times 254. 6 1 17 times cosine times 21. 15 times 70. So next, let's get the y component, which follows this formula. Magnitude times sine times theta. So 15 times sine times 31.4. Next is 7 times sine times 2. Next is 1 0.70. Next is 0.73. Next is 17 times sine times 21. 2 0.30. This implies let's find the summation of each component. This may take a while, so negative 0, 7 times 0, 0, 4, plus 6.86, minus 16.70, is equal to negative 16.28. And then the other one is 13.24 minus 0.73 minus 0.30 is equal to 12.21. And this is not the end, guys. We have to solve the other one. We have to find the resultant. This will be the A and the B. Again, dictionary. So we have this formula of resultant, square root of a squared plus b squared. A represents the summation of x component and b represents the summation of y component. So let's start solving now. 17.48 squared plus square root of, since I'm using the old-fashioned cycle of Casio or Casio, let's do it step by step. 7264 plus 149.0841. Add 291.272 440. Square root of 440.8105. So square root of so this is the answer. This is the resultant. 20.995 or 21. Don't forget the unit, guys. Not done yet because we have to find the angle of the resultant. So tangent theta is equals to y over x. So the y here is the summation of y component and the summation of x component. So the summation of y component is 12.21 over negative 17.808. So negative 0.71487194. So it's not done yet. We have to find the angle. So we have to transpose the tangent here. So it looks like this. Inverse of tangent times negative 0.714718711194. Don't make it too simple here, guys. That is so shit tangent. Since it was recorded, so this is the answer. Negative 35.559 or negative 35.56. But there is no negative angle, so we have to make it positive by dividing it or multiplying it by negative 1. So divide it by 35.56 degree north of west. Why did I conclude this north of west? Because of the summation of the x and y component. Don't forget the direction. So this is the answer for the dot data. Hope you learned something. Bye!
Saan nagsimula